There's been quite a bit of energy within HP. For the design team, it's really about pushing boundaries. In the mobile products, it really is about changing the game completely because it's not about selling one product, it's really about selling a system. And we really have something special with the HP Envy 8-inch Note. It was designed to really be part of a larger ecosystem. We wanted to give you the best typing experience, and to do that, you need a full-size keyboard. You get the portability, the flexibility of an 8-inch tablet, but you get the comfort of a full-size keyboard and touchpad interacting with this. And whether I be in landscape mode or portrait mode, a very stable base simply holds the tablet in place. The sides on this tablet are actually keystone. They actually are angled towards the back side. What we've done is really just made it easy for you to grasp. We've designed the tablet to fit the keyboard. And with those angled sides, I slide it in, almost as if it was on rails. It is solid, it stays together, and it's a nice contained package. This tablet is working with our brand new stylus. This is an active stylus. It's working with a Wacom digitizer. So when you write down and you actually take notes or sketch something out, it really gives you this pen to paper experience. And that's pretty cool with this device. In the top section, we actually have the antennas built in. This is designed to be LTE or 4G, so you're always on, always connected. With Miracast, I can move the content from my tablet to a larger screen. Part of our partnership with Bang & Olufsen goes all the way down into our mobility products. And B&O Play is going to give you great audio out. It's going to give you perfect sound. It has a camera on the backside and it has a camera on the front. So whether you're taking pictures of your friends or video chatting, you have all that flexibility built into the system. With the HP Envy Note, we've built in a beautiful full HD screen. We've layered in on top of that Gorilla Glass. So those bumps and bruises that happen with mobile devices, that's all been taken care of. HP spent a lot of time choosing the right partners. With Windows 10, we really have the best OS. With Bang & Olufsen, you bring in that leadership in audio. We've combined all of those things into a great form factor that I can write on, I can touch with, I can pair it with a keyboard. It's really a beautiful combination of materials and technology.